Hey Bob, what's up? Your information is helping me a lot and I'm sharing it with all of my friends and they're saying me thank you. So I'm saying them thank you back by sending them smiley. Thank you smiley. Here, see. Hey, hold on. That's not the right way of saying thank you. No? Really? Yes. Let me explain. Well, friends, just like Bob, I know a lot of you might misunderstand the true meaning of certain smileys. So here's a quick video explaining meaning of 5 misunderstood smileys. Oh damn! Number 1, this smiley. A lot of you think that it is grinning smiley. It is not. Well, I did my research and found out that this smiley is not the grinning smiley. It is actually smiley which is to be used to portray nervousness. Yes, you got it right, nervousness. Seriously? Number 2, this smiley. A lot of you might think that this smiley is used to portray running nose or you having cold. It is not. Well, originally this smiley was created to show sleepiness, to show that a person is feeling sleepy. But a lot of us make a mistake and think that it is used to show cold or running nose. You must be kidding. Number 3, this smiley. A lot of people think that this smiley is used to show fabulousness or a waitress. It is not. I'm fabulous. Well, this smiley was created to show help desk information. This is a smiley which is to be used to show how may I help you. I didn't think of that. Number 4, this smiley. A lot of people think that this smiley is to be used to show overthinking when a lot of thoughts are there in your mind. It is not. I have so much to worry. There's so much happening in this world. Yes, there's so much going in my head. What to do? What to do? What to do? What to do? Yes, I should do that. I should do this. No, I should do that. Well, this smiley was created to show respect. In a lot of countries, people bow down their head to show respect to the other person. So this smiley is to be used to show respect. Really? And number 5, this smiley. A lot of people, especially in India, think that this smiley is a praying smiley or namaste. It is not. Namaste. Well, in this smiley there are 2 different hands, not of the same person, and this smiley is to be used to show a high five. So there are 2 hands giving a high five. I use this smiley so much. So next time use this smiley not to portray namaste but high five. Wow. Well, that was yet another interesting episode of Factual Friday and we are on episode number 4. I love to do this and I'm really enjoying doing this. I hope you guys are also enjoying it. I'm getting a lot of feedback on this segment and I'm truly very happy that this segment is really helping y'all out more than me. Yes, it is helping me a lot. I'm doing a lot of research to find out more and more information which is improving my knowledge and I bring it to you in this form of videos and it is improving your knowledge also. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Thanks a lot for all the support. Thanks a lot for coming here and watching this video, giving your time. I appreciate it a lot. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment and let me know below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go out there and subscribe so that I bring you more and more content like this. And don't forget to hit that notification button. And this is me signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Peace.